Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are taking a look at a beautiful 3-bedroom detached bungalow in Herne Bay. This is number 55A Mill Lane, and this is a substantial detached 3-bedroom bungalow with a beautiful high-end modern finish. Coming straight through to the end of this private driveway, we find ourselves faced with a very large property. Of course, on the right hand side there we've got the carport, and on the left hand side we've got the garage, but you've got a fantastic amount of off-road parking with this property. Coming straight through into this enormous entrance hall space, you start to get a sense of the sort of finish that we have with this property. The flooring that's been laid is absolutely beautiful, and again very high quality as well. And of course we're starting the tour by coming straight through into this brilliant sized kitchen. You'll see we've got the side access there via the door on the right hand side, and the kitchen itself is full of a range of fitted appliances, and of course you've got that wonderful breakfast bar there as well. But again, it's an absolutely brilliant size, really lovely sized room with of course plenty of worktop space and plenty of storage here as well. But again, the finish to the property is absolutely fantastic. Coming back across this brilliant entrance hall here, we're going to go straight through into bedroom number 3, which you'll notice is currently being used as a dining room. And that is what is so wonderful about this property. The amount of space that you have here allows you to do this. Of course, to have a really good sized dining room in bedroom number 3 just goes to show you the amount of space that we've got on offer with the property. We go through into the lounge, and of course again you see we've got that lovely set of bifolding doors there at the back. Really impressive amount of space. It's got lots of natural light just flooding through into this room as well. Of course you've got the window there at the back and at the front, of course letting that natural light through. But again, a lovely sized room, and certainly a space to fit plenty of furniture. It's a lovely space to relax and entertain friends and family and guests. Of course, we've got the access point there out into the rear garden, and we'll spend plenty of time out there a little bit later on in the tour, where we will find, of course, a stunning cabin as well as a lovely private rear garden. So next up, we're going to go through and take a look at bedrooms 1 and bedroom 2. Of course, bedroom 1 here does have the ensuite shower room, and again, both bedrooms are a absolutely fantastic size. So coming through into bedroom number 1, you'll see here got a lovely double-sized room, plenty of space here for the double bed, and of course plenty of space for storage. We do have the range of wardrobes there just behind us, and now on the left-hand side, so of course plenty of space for you to put your own range of wardrobes there. Plenty of space there for the double bed as well. Just panning across the room there, you can see lovely size, and of course behind us we've got the window just overlooking the rear garden. Coming just to the front of the room now, you'll see on the right hand side of us we do have the ensuite shower room with the loo and the sink unit there as well, and again lovely beautiful modern finish here. So coming back through into the main entrance hall, we come through into bedroom number 2. Of course we've got plenty of storage there on the left hand side, but on the right here we see into bedroom number 2, and again lovely size, plenty of space in here for the double bed, got plenty of space there for the storage as well, and then of course we've got the window at the back just overlooking the rear garden. So next up, we'll go through into the main family bathroom, take a look at the space that we have there. Then we'll reconvene in the rear garden, where we'll be going through a few key points on the property and taking a look not only at the garden but also at that fantastic, stunning cabin space. So I've left you for a few moments now in the rear garden just to take this space in, and we're going to come through and take a look at this stunning cabin now. You'll see, of course, we do have the electric supply out here, and of course it's been insulated and is a well-used space and is absolutely fantastic for entertaining guests when they come over. Of course, this would make for a fantastic home office space or gym, whatever you'd need it to be. A little workspace away from home is absolutely fantastic. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this wonderful detached bungalow with me today. Of course, I really would encourage you to give us a call, ask us a few questions about the property. We are in one of the most popular areas for bungalows here in Herne Bay in the village of Herne. Of course, this is number 55A Mill Lane. So of course, again, I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with me today. Please don't forget that if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.